If you're watching this, you're probably wondering, what is Dash? Or maybe even, what is digital currency? Well, Dash is digital cash. Money exchanged on a highly secure, open-source, peer-to-peer network, much like Bitcoin. But unlike Bitcoin, it's really the first form of digital cash that works just like physical cash. Your money isn't held in a central banking organization. Instead, you hold your money in a safe and easy way, maintaining full control. This means that you have total privacy when it comes to your purchases. Your transactions can't be tracked by any organization or curious third parties. Instead, your information is private. Another great benefit is that transactions can occur instantaneously. There's no wait or lag. Money changes hands right away, just like handing over physical cash when making a purchase. And because Dash is truly fungible, it's the first real working form of true digital cash. That means Dash really is private, instantaneous, and secure. With Dash, fees are extremely low or completely non-existent. No bank is sitting in the middle of everything and charging you to hold or use your money. Instead, you've got the power. Anyone can use Dash anywhere in the world at any time. Just download the wallet for free and get started. You can buy or sell goods and services, contribute to projects or charities, send money to family and friends, and more. All without boundaries. And this is just the beginning. Dash is digital cash. To learn more on how Dash is building the future of money, visit us online at www.dash.org.
What is Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash is a digital currency that follows the original design of Bitcoin set out by the great Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. It is magic internet money. It is sent directly from person to person via the net, without the need for a bank. It can be used by anyone, anywhere, anytime for less than a cent. And unlike those pesky banks, your account cannot be frozen. Bitcoin Cash is generated all over the world by anyone running a free application called a miner. Mining requires a certain amount of work to be performed before they're dutifully rewarded with some Bitcoin Cash. Thanks to the brilliant economic design by Satoshi, it is always created at a predictable and limited rate. The keys to your money are stored in your digital wallet. Click below to download one now. Several currency exchanges exist where you can buy or sell your Bitcoin Cash for dollars, euros, and more. When you make a Bitcoin Cash transaction, it is signed using some cryptographic magic and is then zapped instantly across the network. Once a miner locks your transaction in the blockchain, it is permanently stored in the network for all eternity. Bitcoin Cash is also great for small businesses and freelancers. It doesn't cost anything to accept, there are no chargebacks or fees, and you'll get additional business from the growing Bitcoin Cash economy. Bitcoin Cash is changing finance and is opening up the global economy to every person on the planet. For more information, visit bitcoincash.org.
Revolutions come from combining what exists into what has never existed before. Blockchain technology offers developers tools to build apps and solutions to the problems facing enterprise around the globe. Past protocols had their limitations, scalability bottlenecks, and systems that rely heavily on servers, and others with limited programming functionality. We've combined the most developed and trusted blockchains to create Quantum, the next-generation blockchain application platform. The decentralized governance protocol of Quantum's blockchain gives the community freedom to grow and prosper, and allowed the power of blockchain to be put right in the palm of your hand on mobile devices. Quantum is designed to be modular, decentralized, and mobile blockchain. Quantum provides a Turing-complete blockchain stack and mobile-friendly wallets for IoT applications, designed to bridge the gap between blockchains and the business world. A practical business workflow that communicates with trusted data feeds and oracles. Be part of an open-source project where anyone can contribute and participate. Be on a system that allows backwards compatibility for virtual machines to keep your application running forever, and one that supports current and future UTXO-based improvements like SegWit, allowing smart contracts and decentralized applications to run on a familiar foundation, giving you the opportunity to build unstoppable mobile applications. Learn more at quantum.org.
Decentralized apps, or simply dApps, are super hot right now. Enormous sums of money and brainpower are flowing into the sector, and very exciting things are happening. But what a pity that it's so hard for beginners to gain a foothold. Developing and bringing your dApp to market was no walk in the park, until now. Say hello to Lisk, a platform for dApps and custom blockchains written in JavaScript. Developers can build, publish, distribute, and monetize their dApps within our custom-built cryptocurrency-powered system. Are you worried that it's too difficult or it's going to be a pain to learn all these new languages and toolkits? Not with Lisk. We're doing it very differently. You can write dApps for Lisk in JavaScript, a language that over 100,000 coders are fluent in, instead of the new and unproven languages used by other projects. It makes for a much lower barrier to entry and encourages rapid development cycles. With Lisk, every decentralized application is running in its own sidechain with no limits, as opposed to a single bloated blockchain. Lisk has a strong focus on an excellent user experience, making it accessible for everyone. Do you want to sell your own dApp and rapidly turn your startup into a successful business? With our integrated dApp store, you can. Are you ready for Lisk? Get your share of Lisk at the ICO. It'll only last a few weeks, so this is your chance. Lisk, changing the way you dApp.